Hello guys, how are you doing? Yes, this is your Dr. Mantari Shiva. In this video, we are going to cover a question of IIT JEE 2001 from the chapter Electromagnetic Induction. Okay, let us check the question. An inductor of inductance L is equal to 400 millihenry and resistors of resistances 2 ohms each are connected to a battery of EMF 12 volts as shown in the figure. Okay, R1 and R2 and inductor here like this. Okay, and EMF is here. Now, the internal resistance of the battery is negligible. We are going to neglect it. Okay. Next, the switch S is closed at time t is equal to 0. Then, the potential drop across L as a function of time is given by. That is the question right now. So, basically, it is difficult to solve this problem directly. So, we can actually essentially take this problem into two small circuits. Okay, by taking one loop in this way, another loop I can take it this way. Okay, yes, so I can essentially make this into two parts. One part is this one, another part is this one. So this is just when there is a cell which is connected to a resistor. When the switch is just closed, the current will be passing through it. And other one is nothing but a LR circuit. Okay, there is one inductor and another resistor which is connected to a cell. When you're just closing this switch at time t is equal to 0, what will be the potential drop across this inductor? That's what is the question right now. Okay, yes, let us deal with this question right now. It's very easy. Now, basically here if you look at this, at time t is equal to 0, switch is closed, and hence the current I in the circuit after some time t is given by I is equal to I naught into I naught into 1 minus e power minus t by tau. This is the general expression for current growth in an LR circuit. Okay, we can derive it if you want. Okay, yes. So if you don't know, let me know in the comment box. I can derive that in the next video. Okay, I is equal to I naught into 1 minus e power minus t by tau. What is tau here? Tau is nothing but inductive time constant. What is that? Inductive time constant. All right, and that is nothing but L by R. Here, what is L here? L only. What is R value? R2. L value is nothing but 400 millihenry. Can I say it as 0.4 Henry? Yes. What is R2? 2. So it is nothing but 0.2 is the seconds is the inductive time constant. Just keep it aside. What about I naught? I naught is nothing but maximum current that can be achievable in this circuit right now. Okay. So I naught is equal to, what is I naught generally? That is induced EMF of the cell divided by the total effective resistance. What is the resistance here? Resistance here R2. All right. What is EMF ma? That is actually 12 volts. What is R2? R2 is actually 2 ohms as given in the question itself. Okay. So the maximum current it can reach is 6 amperes. That is the thing. Now, if you find out this current expression, what is this current expression? I is equal to I naught into 1 minus e power minus t by tau. Okay, just let me get that expression. I naught is 6 amperes into 1 minus e power minus t by 0.2, and that's it now. So yes, if you get tempted about this one, option is this one, but he is not asking about the current, he is asking about potential drop. Okay, generally the potential drop across an inductor is nothing but L di by dt. I am just considering the magnitude of it. Okay, now what is the inductance? That is 0.4. 400 millihenry is nothing but 0.4. Very good. Di by dt, if you just take this current and differentiate this guy once, then 6 is just a constant, just keep it aside. Next 1, if you are going to differentiate this guy as a whole, 1 differentiation is 0. E power minus x differentiation is e power minus x, and x means here it is t by 0.2. Okay, into, you have to differentiate this power, I mean whatever is there in the x also, power also, you have assumed this as x, so that's why you have to differentiate that x also. Now minus, if you differentiate this guy, then you get 1 by 0.2. All right, t differentiation is 1, and remaining everything else will be as it is. Very good. So 6 fours are 24, and 1 point is there, so 2.4 into minus 2.4, it is not 2 into 4, okay, minus e power minus, so 0.2 can be written as 1 by 5, that 5 goes here. Very good. Into again this 0.1 by 0.2 can be written as 5, or you can say 0.2 is nothing but 1 by 5, that 5 goes to the numerator, and it looks like this. Minus of minus plus 2.4, 5 are 12 actually. Okay, so basically 24 5s are 120, so 2.4, it's going to be 12, and minus gets cancelled, e power minus 5t volts. So he is asking about the potential drop across inductor L. Yes, that's what it is. Which option is correct here now? Option B is correct. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask in the comment box. See you once again in the next video.